Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. The Shiba Inu shifted the deck. Read this SHIB news carefully. Designed specifically to cash in on 2020's Dogecoin frenzy, Shiba Inu is a meme coin. On the other hand, Shiba Inu's utility has grown alongside its reputation as a top meme coin. As an example, the Shiba Inu team has just unveiled a Layer 2 solution that will aid in scaling, enhancing its suitability for daily payments even further. With the introduction of a metaverse, Shiba Inu has also established itself in a rapidly expanding market. The film will cover how Shiba Inu altered the course of events. Brace yourself for this SHIB news. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. Recent crypto bankruptcies and weak macroeconomic headwinds have caused Bitcoin and the crypto market's prices to fluctuate. The value of Shiba Inu has increased by as much as 60% despite the fact that other cryptocurrencies are experiencing a decline. In August of 2020, the Shiba Inu ERC20 token was released to the public. Although its sole purpose was to capitalize on Dogecoin's rising popularity, Shiba Inu ended up becoming one of the best-performing cryptocurrencies ever, with a price increase of more than 48 million% by the year's conclusion. Occasionally, investor positioning could be indicated by the trading volume, which is the total amount moved between buyers and sellers. In the last 24 hours, 27 trillion tokens valued at $332,414.14 USD were traded, according to statistics from the CoinMarketCap. At 0.000012, SHIB is up 0.53% over the previous day. Shoshi Kusama tweeted about a recent meeting that included the SHIB development team and Unity. The conference thus marks the beginning of the end stages of the Shibadarium upgrade. Even though Shiba has already said this before, the update is still expected to arrive soon. You just confirmed what the SHIB community leaked in their Discord messages earlier this week. Kusama said he was going to put a gorgeous bow on it, possibly referring to Shibarium. In the same article, Trophus, another prominent SHIB developer, made a similar statement, saying that after the Shiba website is upgraded, they would execute the documentation and beta. The community as a whole is optimistic nonetheless, because to discussions about Shibarium's beta release in 2023. As a result of the Shibarium rumor, the value of the second biggest meme coin in circulation increased by more than 3%. Its meteoric rise to prominence among the top 10 coins bought by major Ethereum wallet holders was illustrative. You said today that Shiba Inu is about to be a huge hit in the fashion world after rumors spread that an Italian designer was planning to incorporate it into his newest collection. Many cryptocurrency payment processors take SHIB, and businesses like a SHIB-themed fast food joint have begun to accept Shiba Inu. A Binance report states that the meme coin is once again entering the fashion business through a line of apparel inspired by Shiba Inu. John Richmond, an Italian fashion designer, revealed his upcoming collection on Twitter earlier. Richmond tweeted a street-style design with varsity jackets with the designer's initials JR and shirts and leggings with the phrase Shiba. The image, according to Binance, was a sneak glimpse of the collection as stated by Richmond. Furthermore, the designer had previously shared an image of a sweatshirt along with a plethora of additional hashtags, including #ShibaFashion. Notable figures like Snoop Dogg, the late great rapper, have been known to wear designs by Richmond. Contrary to popular belief, the account's profile photo is a cartoon of the Shiba Inu dog breed and not the official Shiba Inu logo. Even though Shiba Inu and John Richmond announced their collaboration in 2022, the designer has not yet stated when the SHIB-themed collection will be released. The designer has been showing off his designs at fashion events like Milan Fashion Week. There is a strong correlation between the amount of attention Shiba Inu receives and the potential for the meme coin's price to rise. This is where collaborations like the one with John Richmond become significant, according to the paper. According to the study, Richmond's designs helped introduce the cryptocurrency to a potential user base of crypto investors. According to rumors, the exact nature of Amazon's Web3 endeavor is still unknown even after days of speculation over its purported unveiling. CoinDesk claims that Amazon is working on a project that might incorporate games and NFT marketplace or any combination of the two. According to the research, the project would never get off the ground because to the complicated regulations and lack of clarity around the matter. On the other hand, Amazon possesses the necessary size and scale to dominate this industry and establish the Web3 economy as a mainstream phenomenon. Major blue-chip firms reportedly shied away from Web3 because of legal uncertainty, according to the study. There have been initiatives by major payment processors to include stable coins into their systems. Amazon Web Services (AWS) hosts a large number of cryptocurrency nodes, and the Big Five IT companies and trade groups are frequent backers of the cryptocurrency market. Despite this, the report noted that they remain involved in the Web3 economy, which is committed to decentralized ownership but faces regulatory ambiguity and interference from unclear policies. The study went on to say that if Amazon's attempts to resolve the regulatory obstacles are successful, they might have a revolutionary impact. With any luck, the crypto token will have risen over 43% this month, its biggest month since October 2021, when it surged an astounding 830% higher. The bull's voices have been growing increasingly audible ever since Shiba Inu's price broke above its 200-day simple moving average earlier this month. This was the first sustained breach above this level since 2021, but they need to know that SHIB saw a major bearish technical development early this month. Based on SHIB's confirmation of a downtrend connecting the August-October 22nd and January 2023 highs, the cryptocurrency may be headed for a short decline in the near future. Attention SHIB traders, the crypto token's reaction to the 0.0000 support region will tell you how much this week's macro events will weigh on crypto. If the price were to break above the pattern as predicted by John of CryptoNews.com, it would likely retest the levels reached in August 0.18 and October 0.15 respectively. It emphasizes data from the block that shows more SHIB tokens are making unrealized profits than losing or being at break-even. Given the impending launch of the Tiberium protocol, ICIS claims that the IO map model reveals that investors would choose to support a Shiba Inu price rally than sell the token. By the way, the IO map model from last week's end indicated that 69.5% of the SHIB token supply was profitable, while 27.15% was losing money and 3.2% was just breaking even. Business 2 community analysts are bullish on SHIB in 2023 based on long-term hopes that Shiba Inu's developers would continue to expand the Shiba Inu Web3 ecosystem, boosting the coin's utility. With these use cases, the asset might reach 0.40, which would be a significant milestone for the Shibaverse and the Shiba swap. From where we are now, they predict an approximately 250% increase. We project that the SHIB price might surpass 0.00001 by the end of 2025, given that the creators of Shiba Inu are still hard at work on their decentralized exchange and metaverse, and that the Shiba Inu community is anticipating even more growth. Incorporating it into their Shiyoshi Kuzama, the chief developer of Shiba Inu, recently released a mysterious update regarding the impending release of Shiba Inu Birkin. Zuzama recently sent a message to Telegram users advising them to always have popcorn available. Among the Shiba Inu community, the statement has ignited curiosity about the possible imminent debut of Shiba Inu. You were informed today that the primary architect of Shiba Inu made another cryptic statement on the